Hello students, today I discuss the stress induced in helical spring. There are three types stress induced in helical spring. First one is torsional shear stress, second one is direct shear stress, and third one is shear stress induced due to spring curvature. In generally design of spring, we consider the two types of stress induced in helical spring. First one is torsional shear stress and second one is direct shear stress. Now firstly we calculate the torsional shear stress induced in helical spring. We know that springs are generally under twisting moment due to axial load W. This is the axial load, or which is denoted by W. This is the axis of the spring. Axis of the spring. Now the torsional twisting moment T is equal to load into distance, axial load W into distance from the axis of the spring. This is d by 2. This is the mean diameter of the spring, capital D. Twisting moment T is equal to axial load into this distance d by 2. This is equal to pi upon 16 into tau 1 dq. Tau 1 is the torsional shear stress and d is the spring wire diameter. This is the small d, spring wire diameter. From this, tau 1 is equal to 8wd upon pi dq. This is equation number 1. Now we calculate the direct shear stress induced in helical spring. Direct shear stress this is denoted by tau 2 is equal to load upon cross sectional area of the spring. Load upon cross sectional area. This is equal to W upon pi upon 4 into d square. D is the spring wire diameter. Now we calculate the resultant shear stress or maximum shear stress induced in the spring. Maximum shear stress. Tau is equal to tau 1 plus minus tau 2. There are two signs, plus and minus. Plus sign is indicate inside of the spring stress in the inner edge. This is the inner edge. And this is the outer edge. In the free body diagram, this is the inner edge and this is the outer edge. So here plus minus, so that plus is for inner edge and minus is so for outer edge. No, this is the equation number 2. For adding equation number first and second, we found the maximum shear stress tau is equal to tau 1. Tau 1 is 8 WD upon pi d q plus minus tau 2 W upon d square. Tau is equal to, this terms also separate, 8 D upon pi dq. This is here 1 plus d upon 2d. This is the stress, resultant stress induced in helical spring. Now for maximum shear stress is the from the inner edge of the spring. This is the inner edge. So we consider a plus sign for maximum shear stress and minus sign for the minimum shear stress. So tau max is equal to 8 WD upon pi dq 1 plus d upon 2d. Also in terms of spring index, we write this formula 8 WD upon pi dq 1 plus 1 upon 2 C. C is the spring index. And this is equal to capital D upon small d. Capital D is mean diameter of the coil and small d is the spring wire diameter. If any query, then ask me in comment box. Thank you.